When you purchase a PV system from JPS, you will only ever be dealing with JPS people. So from the first phone call to the scheduling of your job, to the applications to the grid that we need to do, and then also to the actual installation itself, it will be JPS badge wearing people that come and do the work for you. We love to keep this level of control on everything that we do because the customer's experience is super important to us. So we do not subcontract out any work. It means that the guys that you deal with from the outset to the closure of the job will always take our approach to things. They're very technically minded, they're very customer focused, they really know what they're doing and what they're talking about, and you should be left with a system that's working perfectly with no issues whatsoever, knowing that you've been handled the JPS way from start to finish.
JPS Energy, there for the journey.